What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset, also known as a hard reset, on a Windows computer, your Apple iPhone 17 Pro. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset so that you can erase everything on your phone back to its factory condition. You may want to do this if your phone is locked and you forgot your password, or maybe you want to just reset and erase everything on your phone so that you can sell your phone to somebody else. Or maybe your phone is just acting up and it's frozen and it's been acting up, or your storage is full and you just want to erase everything on your phone back to its factory condition. Well, that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Also, if your phone is completely locked because you put your password wrong too many times, I'll also show you how to bypass this so that you can start using your phone normally again. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to factory reset it through the settings, and then I'll show you how to do it with the buttons so that if you have that password, you'll bypass it. So for the first method, let's go into settings here. Here in settings, we're going to go down to general. Here in general, we're going to scroll down all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Okay. Right here, it is telling you to prepare for your iPhone. So here we're going to select this option right here, erase all content and settings. Here it's just letting you know that everything will be erased. So if you need any information on your phone, pictures, videos, anything that you need, please back it up before doing this, because this will erase everything on your phone. Once you're ready, hit continue. It's going to ask you if you want to keep eSIM or delete eSIM data. I'm going to select keep eSIM because I don't want it to erase my contacts on my SIM. Okay, it's going to ask you for your password one more time. Go ahead and put it in. And once you do, the reset process will begin. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do it. If you put your password in wrong too many times and your phone is locked like this, it's unavailable, I'm going to show you how to do it. What we're going to need is obviously your Windows computer, and we're going to need a USB Type-C cable to connect to it. Okay, let's go ahead and connect it to the iPhone here. And the other thing you're going to need is you're going to need to have iTunes downloaded on your Windows computer. And I'm also going to have a link to the iTunes download down below in the description. All right, so once it's connected, what we're going to do is we're going to put the iPhone in restore mode. Okay, previously also known as DFU mode. But yeah, we're going to put it in restore mode. How you do that is first you power off your phone. So let's go ahead and press volume up and the power lock button to power it off. Okay, once you get the slide to power off slider, go ahead and slide to power off. Okay, after a few seconds, once your phone is completely off like this, with the iPhone connected to the computer, we're going to go ahead and press volume up and the power lock button until the restore mode icon appears here. So we're going to press them both at the same time. Volume up, power lock button. You can see the Apple logo. Just continue holding the buttons. Then there you go. Once you see this, you can release the buttons. Okay, you're going to hear a sound on your Windows computer. That's because it's trying to read the iPhone. So after you hear that sound, we're going to go ahead and open up iTunes here on the computer. And we're going to receive this message here on your Windows computer when it's reading. Since the iPhone is in restore mode, it says there's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So this is perfect. This is what you need to see. Once you see this, we're good to go. Go ahead and hit restore here. It's going to give you another confirmation here. Go ahead and hit restore and update. And here it's just going to let you know the bug fixes of the new iOS. Hit next. Here are some terms and conditions. Hit agree. And what it's going to do now is it's going to download the entire iOS for the iPhone. Okay, as you can see right here, it says iPhone software update. It's downloading, 14 minutes remaining. So this is going to take some time. Just go ahead and allow it to completely download, and then we'll move on from there. All right, so the file finally finished downloading. As you can see, 10 out of 10 gigabytes. Now it's processing file. However, since it does take a while for the file to download, the iPhone got out of restore mode. So that's perfectly fine. All we need to do is just put it back into restore mode. Okay, so let's go ahead and power it off. And after a few seconds, let's go ahead and put it back into restore mode. So volume up and power lock button. Okay, there we go. iPhone restore mode. So there we go. The computer read it here once again. Once again, it's same message. Just go ahead and hit restore or update, doesn't matter. Here, hit restore and update. And as you can see, since the software since the iOS completely downloaded, now it is extracting software. So it's on to the next step now. We're gonna have a couple different loading bars here. One is gonna be extracting software, one is gonna be like verifying software update. So we're just gonna have to wait for it to finish loading all of the bars here. And on the iPhone, pretty soon we should see it get out of this screen, and it's gonna show us an Apple logo with a loading bar as well. All right, so as you can see, now from extracting software, now it says preparing iPhone for restore. And there we go, as you can see, it is changing the screen here on the iPhone. Here on the computer, it says preparing iPhone for restore. And there we go, now we have the Apple logo. Should see that loading bar very soon. Yep, and there you go. So here we have the loading bar. We just gotta wait for this loading bar to completely go all the way through. It will take a little bit longer here on the iPhone. While this one loads all the way, we're gonna see, like I said, a few loading bars here on the iTunes on the computer. Restoring iPhone firmware. All right, so next step here, as we can see, restoring iPhone software. Okay, so then it's verifying iPhone restore. And as we can see, it is almost done here on the iPhone. All right, so there we go. It looks like it completed here. We got a message here stating that the process is complete. However, we are gonna get one more loading bar on the iPhone here. So the first one completed. This is the second loading bar. This one will go a lot faster. The iPhone is just getting set up now so that it can boot on, so that we can set it up to start using it. So once you see this second loading bar, you know the process is pretty much complete. Just give it a couple more seconds or maybe a minute or two for this to complete. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you see this second loading bar, we can go ahead and disconnect from the Windows computer now. And let's just give the iPhone here some more time for it to turn on. All right, so there you go. The second loading bar loaded all the way and the phone has booted on. And we are at the initial setup of the iPhone here. So go through all of the setup steps here to get your iPhone set up and start using it normally again. All right, everyone, so there you go. That is how you perform a factory reset, also known as a hard reset, with a Windows PC to your Apple iPhone 17 Pro. Go ahead and destroy the like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. And also, if you want to check out our 45-watt super fast chargers, which charge your phone 3 times as fast as regular chargers, check out the links down below in the description. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.